Hi there, welcome back to a new edition of the Don tutorial series. What we're looking to do today is give you a short overview of some of the key Don features. I'm running here the Android application with a Pro subscription, hence why you're seeing the promotion code tab on the home screen. So first of all, I'd like to bring your attention to the top right hand corner where you'll see a calendar icon. When you click on that icon, you get an option between week to view or countdown clock. And when we're looking at the week to view, you'll see that the day's date is underscored and that the circle represents an upcoming event in your schedule. Okay, with the countdown clock, the concept here is that we're focusing the mind on the next event that's coming up. We've also helpfully named that event for you so that you can see very quickly what event's coming up and when. We also have, as I mentioned, the promotion code tab on the home screen, and this is keyword optimized. So simply by using the search bar at the top, you can filter for the products that are most relevant to you. Jumping back out, we have the upcoming events tab, which is a hit list of your upcoming events, and you can use keyword search at the top to type in very quickly and retrieve those events that are relevant to you in the moment. Or indeed, by jumping back out of that, we could use the event filter. And here that has the same exact delivery. Okay, we jump back out of upcoming events, and you'll see very helpfully we've put an orange tab on the screen with a plus icon. That is where you go to create a new event. So I'll go ahead and do that now. What we do is select the date for the event. In this case, I'm going to put it out to 25th of August. We then type in the name of that event. Once we've done that, we go ahead and select a time for that event. In this instance, I'm going to set that at 1400. And then we can type in a description. And this could be anything. It could be some tips for presents. It could be a link to a website or a restaurant reservation that you might want to put in. And indeed, it could be because you've set this reminder to buy the present and you want to make a note of when the birthday actually is. And that's what's happening here. We're going to go ahead and type in a date there that resembles Leo's actual birthday, and this reminder is going to serve as a notification to purchase that present. Once we've done that, we go ahead and select from a range of event categories, and we've got a pretty big list. We think we've covered all the bases, but please do let us know if there's anything missing that you would like for us to add. In this instance, I'm going to select birthday and click create. There we go, that event's created. That's how easy it is. What we'll do now is jump back out, and the app will auto route you back to your upcoming event screen. And you'll see now that that event has been created. Now, when I get that notification, I'm able in the moment to click continue and route through to a range of categorized options. Now, for basic users, you'll just see a list here of products and you can use the keyword search bar at the top. But if you're a Pro subscriber, you get this categorized breakdown of options. And this is where our software architecture really comes into its own, because we've actually been able to create those categories on the back end and then flow our affiliate products through into the relevant category for you. So here I'm going to click on gifts, and I'm going to see a range of options from Moonpig, from Waterstones, or indeed from Look Fantastic. And once again, at the top, I can simply type in keyword search. In this instance, I know Leo's traveling to Australia and I want to get him a travel guide. So I type Australia in the top, and there we go. You get your filtered options from our database. Say, for example, I wanted to buy something from Wellness. I'm going to have some Look Fantastic products there. Perhaps I wanted to make a reservation, plan an event. I know Leo loves cars, so I'm going to type in cars. And there we go. I'm going to get everything car related, and those are Experience Days events on offer. Perhaps I know Leo likes to go to events, and I'll jump into our StubHub feed. And I can scroll through a range of different options there, or use the keyword filter at the top. So that shows you the power really of the Don, helping you to bridge the gap between to do and done and complete that task in the moment you're reminded. We're launching with 7 affiliates, but we'll be increasing that multiple times over over the course of the coming months and years as we look to bring in more affiliates into the fold, add more event categories based around your user feedback. So please do let us know what's missing, what you would like to see. Okay, I'm going to jump now into community. And this is an area where you can connect with other The Don users. In posts, you'll see posts that they've shared. And again, I stress only people you've connected with. My posts, which is any post that I'm uploading to The Don. Here we go. This is an example I made earlier with a bit of text, a searchable hashtag, so other people with similar interests can search by hashtag and find your post once they've connected with you. I can share that in the top right hand corner via email or WhatsApp, and that will send an invite to someone to join The Don if they haven't already downloaded the app. Now if I toggle across into chat, this is my live chat function, and I can have individual or group chat, and group chat can be up to 6 people. And this has a similar system of 1 tick for sent, 2 tick means it's got through, and then the blue ticks means it's been read. So now in the top right hand corner of community, I see the 3 people icon. That's where I can have my chat threads, for example, my group chat, and you might want to create a chat thread around an event that's coming up. Maybe it's someone's birthday and you're all teaming up on a present. Or indeed, we can go through into the top right and search contacts. And this is where you can search by username, hashtag, or email. So just to give you an example of how this would work, I can select here test account, which is an account I've created, and you will see that user there. And this is going to search the database of all the people on The Don. And just to reiterate, you can search here by username, hashtags which they've put in their bio, so searchable hashtags for interests, or their email address. Okay, I'll jump out of community now and show you the bio. And this is really used when you want to connect with other people in The Don. So you simply add a picture, your first name, your last name, and email, which are taken from your user registration, but you can edit them. Your bio, where you can put in something about yourself, perhaps your searchable hashtags, so that you can connect with other people with a similar interest, and you've got shortcuts down the bottom for change password and subscription detail. The notification screen is when you connect with other Don users, that's where this will be shown, and it will clearly keep you updated as to what's been going on in the Don app. Okay, jumping through into more, we can see subscriptions, and this is where you can upgrade your subscription or downgrade your subscription, and you can make the payments in-app. Promotions, which is a shortcut through for pro users only to your promotion tab from the home screen. Personalization, which lets you toggle between different color schemes for the app. So we'll now jump into a gray color scheme. Feedback and support, please do use this feature. If there's a support issue, let us know. If it's simply feedback or positive vibes, please send those as well. We'd love to hear your feedback. Anything that you would like to change or improve, please let us know. And then lastly, log out. And this is where you go to log out of the app. So there we go. That's a really quick overview of some of the key features of the Don. We're going to be going into more detail on our social channels, so please do follow us with our hashtag top tips series, and there we'll be giving you little insights that will optimize the way you use the Don mobile application. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day ahead.